To fix GameSir G7SE not turning on. So troubleshooting over here, we have only a few methods you can mainly try. If it doesn't turn on when the controller is plugged up, the power light does not turn on and the controller gives no inputs, this could mean a improper connection. So ensure that the USB port you're plugging the controller into works. There's also the possibility that you have a faulty cable, so try using a different USB-C cable to see if you have a faulty cable. There's also this where you have a DRT USB port. If the USB or USB-C ports get too dirty, it can interfere with connection. So get a small object like a toothpick to scrape the inside of the port and clear it of any debris. You can use small utensils to clean the ports, of course, and try to clean that up and see if your controller will work. We only have a few over here, but there are some reviews over here that can possibly fix it, like if the controller isn't connecting to the Xbox at all. This is different from it not turning on, but it could help. Try hard resetting the console itself. Hold the power button on your Xbox for 10 to 12 seconds, then turn your Xbox back on. Over here, these are most likely people with experience and could possibly help with your issue. Same with this thing over here, experience and can possibly help with your issue. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.